Welcome to this tutorial on Set-ItemProperty. This PowerShell cmdlet is your tool for modifying registry values. Throughout this video, you'll learn how to change existing registry data safely and effectively using PowerShell commands. Set-ItemProperty is a PowerShell cmdlet specifically designed for modifying existing registry values. It changes the data stored in registry keys without deleting or recreating them. This cmdlet updates properties in place and works with different value types including strings, DWORDs, and multi-strings. Think of it as an editor that modifies what's already there rather than creating something new. The basic syntax of Set-ItemProperty consists of three main components. First, the path parameter specifies the registry key location using the registry provider notation. Second, the name parameter identifies which value you want to modify. Third, the value parameter contains the new data you want to set. This structure makes it straightforward to target and update specific registry values. Let's break down the key parameters. The path parameter defines the registry key location where your value exists. The name parameter specifies the exact value name you want to modify. The value parameter holds the new data you're setting. Finally, the type parameter defines the data type, such as string, DWORD, or binary. Understanding these parameters is essential for successful registry modifications. Here's a practical example of modifying a string value. We're changing an application name in the registry. The command targets HKCU\software\myapp. We specify the value name as app name and provide the new string data as new application name. This updates the existing string value with the new text immediately. Now let's look at modifying a DWORD value. This example enables a feature by setting a numeric value. We target HKLM/software/policies/Microsoft. The value name is enable feature, and we set it to 1 using the DWORD type. Setting a DWORD to 1 typically means enabled, while 0 means disabled. The type parameter ensures the data is stored correctly as a 32-bit integer. Variables make your registry modifications more flexible and reusable. First, we store the new timeout value of 300 in a variable called newTimeout. Then we define the registry path in another variable called regPath. Finally, we use these variables in the Set-ItemProperty command. This approach is especially useful when you need to modify multiple values or create reusable scripts with configurable parameters. Before you start modifying registry values, remember these critical points. First, the value must already exist in the registry key. Set-ItemProperty cannot create new values. Second, you need administrator rights to modify HKLM, the local machine hive. Third, if you need to create a new value instead of modifying an existing one, use newItemProperty instead. Finally, all changes take effect immediately, so be careful with your modifications. Always back up the registry before making changes.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.